Hi, my name is Heather. I work at Galileo, where my job is to come up with projects that help kids develop as innovators. In this Inspiration Banner Challenge, the goal is to design a banner that represents your family that you can hang in your window. To do this, you'll need to be collaborative and incorporate ideas from everyone in your family into your finished banner design. Come on, I'll show you how to get started.
Some materials you might use are index cards or paper, string, a spray bottle with water, a plastic bag, scissors, pencil, and markers. If you don't have all this at home, no worries. There are lots of alternatives you can use.
Next, it's time to interview your family members so you can get everyone's ideas.
What's one word and one color you would use to describe our family?
Hey, what's one word you would use to describe our family? Smart. You might get a lot of ideas from your family, but don't forget today's challenge, be collaborative, and try to use at least one idea from everyone in your final banner.
If you want to combine or modify a few people's ideas, that's okay. Just make sure that they feel like their idea is still included. Next, you'll get one piece of paper per letter of each word. For each letter, you can use an index card or a quarter sheet of paper. You want the paper colors to match the color ideas given to you by your family, but if you only have white paper, don't worry. You can easily dye paper with a few materials from around the house. First, draw on a plastic bag with a washable marker. Spray with a water bottle. If you don't have a water bottle, you can just flick water onto it with your fingers. Then press the paper down onto the plastic bag. And voila! Make sure to get any remaining blank spots covered too. Wipe the bag off after each piece of paper. If your marker starts to run out, it just has too much water in the tip. Draw on a piece of scrap paper until the color returns. Then you can keep going. Next, it's time to write out the words letter by letter. But we don't want to just write them out all boring. Be innovative. Start by drawing an outline around the letter. Erase and redraw this outline as needed to get the kind of lettering you want. You can even add shadows for a punch of depth. Remember to only add shadows to one side of a letter at a time so it looks realistic. But don't stop there. You can also add symbols, decorative fringe, and so much more. When all your letters are complete, poke 2 holes at the top of each piece of paper. Thread a piece of string or yarn in and out of each paper to make a banner that can hang in your window.
Think about how different your banner would have looked if you only used your own ideas and not asked anyone else for their ideas. That's the power of collaboration. If you make an inspiring banner, take a picture and share it if you can. You might give others ideas, and we'd love to see it. That's all for now. See you next time.